Good morning, guys. The two Miatas are here together.
We are back. It's been a long time.
A long while. He
It's
forgot,
been a long
he forgot how to
time.
vlog.
Yeah, I really did. Jesus. But yeah, we are getting together today.
He got a Vertex wheel.
I did. I got a new wheel, guys. There has been a little bit that has happened since we have last seen you guys. Like Brandon said, got that Vertex wheel. Brandon's just been existing.
I've been driving the WRX.
Yeah,
which
he
is
has.
crazy.
The WRX, if you guys notice, is actually not in the background today because it's in the garage.
I was doing oil change and a coolant flush.
Wild.
Yeah. So we are gonna go to Steven's because Steven got a new surprise for you guys. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, no way. I just got that on fucking atrocious. I was just trying to record some B-roll for you guys.
That's just some sign to drink some water, not soda.
Yeah. Be healthy, guys.
Yeah, well, so this is my birthday gift. Happy birthday to me from my brother.
Not bad.
But
Not bad.
it has a leaky soft top, so there was quite a good amount of water in here. So I'm just cleaning that out. But really, what I'm doing is I'm just gonna leave the back seats out, and I'm gonna throw the front seats back in. So I'm leaving it partially gutted, I guess. Probably gonna turn it into a drift car after I graduate college. So this is just gonna sit around and be a daily when I don't feel like driving the EM1.
Nice. A daily for your daily. For your daily.
Yeah, so we're pretty much just gonna go. I have my show car there. The EM1's gonna be a track car, and then this is gonna be my drift car. So then eventually, I'm probably gonna get like a first gen CRV to daily. So
I think he's gonna stand to it. That's another show.
that's the goal.
So we are taking the rear seats out, but we want to get the top down. One, so we can air the car out because there was water inside because the top is leaking. And two, because it's much easier to take these back seats out if you have the top down. So we have to manually take the top down because the motor looks like it's gotten wet and doesn't work anymore. So we're manually putting the top down right now, and it is slowly getting there. If you guys have an E36 and you guys need to get your top down and the motor is broken, real quick, two motors back here. There's a lever up here, and you're gonna have someone pull that lever, pop over there out, and then you're gonna take a flathead, pull this little square out right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And you're gonna stick a hex in there, and you're just gonna wrench on it, and it's gonna take a very, very long time. As you guys can see, we haven't made much progress on getting it. Hey, what's up, buddy? What's up? We found a drill. Amazing.
No, wrong way, other way. Keep going until I tell you stop.
What?
Keep going until I tell you stop.
So we're wrapping up. We just realized that we don't have the tools, and Steve got homework to do, like a good boy.
Yeah.
So we're gonna end up going back to my house, and then getting ready for this Miata meet. There's gonna be like 70 Miatas apparently. So
Hopefully.
plus 2, so 72.
We're gonna head back to Brandon's right now. Get ready for this meet. Bring you guys along for the ride. All right, Steven's gonna finish it up. We're gonna head out. Bye, Steven.
Bye. Bye, Steven.
Good luck with all that water.
Ew.
Ooh.
There was a lot more.
We'll be seeing this car soon. All right, guys, we made it back to Brandon's house. I am currently starting to rinse the car off. Brandon, I think, went inside. So I don't have any other hands to record right now. So I am going to get to rinsing off the car so we can go to this meet. I haven't taken this thing out for a meet in a very, very long time. So it definitely needs a wash. So I'm going to get this thing going and see you guys when we are done rinsing the car off. Or maybe Brandon will come back. I don't know where he went. All right, guys, well, I finished rinsing off my car. Brandon is on it now.
That's how you make your car faster. You gotta let the engine grow.
What, flower petals? What? Flower petals?
Yeah.
Is that a mod?
Yeah.
That one does not want to leave. So, while Brandon sings his
Where's
country
10 mil
song-
at?
10 mil right here.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. Well,
Yeah, brother.
so I can explain this to you guys while Brandon is singing his country music. We are going to be doing the shifter real quick before the meet. And that is because...
Look. Here's first gear.
Look at this.
Yeah, so that's what I've been driving with lately. Maybe we just tighten it down? We're gonna see if there's an issue underneath of this with the bushing, because if you guys saw, it still has play with the up and down motion. I don't know. Very odd. So the bushing's fine. It's just that the shifter itself has too much play.
So,
It's just
max
how it's
speeding
made.
rod shifter,
Don't do it.
0 out of 10.
Yeah. Let me show you guys another reason why not. Another one. It happened again. The camera doesn't like it. It happened fucking again. If you guys have any recommendations for the short shifter, drop a comment. Let me know, and I'll check them out.
Third one back in.
Honestly. So, basically, Brendan did the same thing he did with the other one when we first installed this shifter. Drilled into it, self-tapper. Sucks, but I would like to be able to drive the car home. So, God, don't do this, guys. Alright guys, the shifter's back in. We are ready to roll out for the meet. Brandon's all good to go. We got 2 more Miatas over here. Let's get over to the meet.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
So, welcome to the Miata meet. Let's walk around, look at some Miatas. ND Miata.
Alright, let's do it.
More ND.
Wow, so many Miata.
So many Miata.
Look at all these Miata.
I don't think the turnout.
Oh look, man's decided to wear the Miata shirt to the Miata meet. Whose
Okay.
shitty car is that?
Did I break a hanger?
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Alright, hanger's still on this.
Are you gonna put racetrack stickers on your car?
If I go to a racetrack,
I mean, you keep calling it a race car, bro.
there's a race car.
Where are your
always
stickers?
broken,
Where are your stickers? That's what I thought.
Wait, that's not a Miata. Hey, it is a Miata. Look.
It does.
See?
It's the Miata. You're good. You're good. I'm
good.
sorry. My B. You're okay.
You're in the wrong place.
That's his neighbor.
It's because I always crash his Type R meets with the Miata.
Yeah, that's true.
It's unfair.
Brandon always crashes Honda meets with the Miata. That's why we should K-swap the Miata. Let's do it.
That means that. Do I get to H day? If
I think so. I think you can get an H. Comment down below if we should K-swap Brandon's Miata.
One of them.
I'll take his turbo kit.
I have 3 Miatas.
All right.
I can
guess
K-swap one of
It's time to
them.
leave now.
It's so clean. That Miata's so clean. You see that Miata? You guys see how clean that Miata was?
one with the
I don't know if you guys remember, but a while ago, our boy Chino with that multicolored Miata, it was like white, black, red, all different colors, big ass turbo. He just pulled up.
Turbo?
No, I said big ass turbo.
Yeah, the alternate. He wrote alternator on it.
Oh yeah, that guy. Remember him? Yeah, he pulled up. Look at this fast guy,
Good?
guys.
You're good? You're good? Oh, okay.
All right.
Yes, he's chilling there.
I was like, I guess that's where it is.
Guys, do you see this alternator? Do you see this alternator right
Badass
now?
alternator.
Big ass alternator. This guy right here has the biggest alternator in the state of Maryland. All right, guys. Well, as you can kind of see, the parking lot is cleared out for the most part. It was a really good meet today. It was really nice weather, a lot of Miatas, a couple Hondas.
I had a Miata inside the car.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, today was a pretty good day. I'm glad we finally got back to you guys and finally got this Miata out of my neighborhood. Brandon, you have a good day? You have a nice, warm, hot day today?
Oh no, I had a great day. You guys don't know why, but I know why.
But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. As always, make sure you go hit that button down there, subscribe to support all the homies, and we love you guys.
Wait, I was supposed to do that.
Love you guys.